It's bathroom renovation day! Yay! I'm excited. What's up guys, my name is Kaylin, welcome back to my channel, and today we are giving my little bathroom a much needed facelift. So this is what it looked like after we already did some work after we moved in, just to kind of make it at least okay for the time being until we got around to it again. It's a very small bathroom and it just felt kind of dark, and we wanted to change some things to lighten it up and make it feel a little more fresh and clean. So I was just starting to remove all of the fixtures and everything, give ourselves a clean slate to start with, although it is a little dirty, but you know, the cleaning will come later, so bear with me. First up, we just painted the space. I did a white on the bottom part underneath where the shower rail is going to be, and then the top started out as a light gray. This is going to change later, but for right now it's going to be a light gray, so we'll just go with it for the time being. And then this is our old light. I'm sure that light has been there for decades at this point, so it's time for it to go and get a little bit of a new feel. So we found this, I believe, on Home Depot is where this one came from, and it's just a simple, really cute fixture, and I love how it looks in the space. Next up was the flooring. This is what the floor looked like when we first moved in. So we had put a darker vinyl plank over it, but we kind of just wanted to change that out again, make things kind of lighter and brighter. So we found this vinyl plank and I really love it. This is the chair rail that you could see in the beginning. With the paint change and the flooring and the fixtures and everything, we just kind of wanted to brighten it up a little bit, so I just took some white paint and did a quick dry brush over it so you could still see that darker color coming through, and it still felt rustic, but it did brighten it up as well. So at this point we were like, alright, cool, we changed a few things, we're gonna put everything back together. And that's what I started doing. Alright, brief time out. So, there was a window that was covered up by the tub surround in our bathroom, and we really didn't plan on exposing it right now in the middle of all of this renovation, but it just kind of made sense to, since we had everything torn up and everything was a mess anyway, so we were like, why not? So once we exposed that, the natural light in the room kind of just changed the whole feel of the room. So it made the decision to kind of change out some of the paint colors and paint the vanity and just change some things to lighten it up and make everything match a little better. So we'll go through all of that, but I just kind of wanted to pop in and explain why we now have a window in our bathroom. So anyway, let's get back to the video. Alright guys, time for my favorite part. It's decorating time. So as you can see here, I brightened up the shelves too. Once we changed the colors, the shelves just felt too much of a yellowy brown. So changed those out, put the basket and the mason jar with the Q-tips back on, and then my nice butt sign. This is a 50-cent frame from Goodwill. I painted it, put some cardstock in the back, printed the nice butt from vinyl on my Cricut, and then the plant and this basket here I found on Amazon, both very affordable on there, so got those two. Used that as kind of our back of the toilet paper holder. This was a mason jar I had around, painted and distressed it, sealed it, and then put a little pump on the top to use for our hand soap. And then we got some new towels to match everything a little bit better too. So this is gonna be it. This is pretty much all we did to kind of change up the space. I mean, shortened up, it seems like a lot less work than it was, but really it wasn't bad at all. And I love how this space turned out. So we exposed the window, we did the new paint, put in new vinyl plank flooring, painted out some of the fixtures, the chair rail, the shelves, the vanity base, put in the new light fixture, put in the new mirror, and then just got a couple small pieces of new decor to look clean and fresh. I don't know how I missed putting up the mirror, but this is our new mirror. I love it for this space. And yeah, I mean, that's all we really did, and it just feels so much more open and bright, and for a small space it feels a lot better now. You guys enjoyed the video. I was just hoping to kind of show a small bathroom space and how we decided to decorate in hopes that it could inspire you if you're maybe redoing your space and have a small bathroom. So I really hope you liked it. If you did, be sure to hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new here. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next adventure.